Hey there, gentlemen. Are you looking to amp up your attraction game as you get older? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the most attractive types of older men and show you how to embody these captivating qualities. Get ready to take notes. 1. The quiet intellectual. Picture this: a man who speaks softly but carries a big brain. That's the quiet intellectual. These guys offer deep insights in a thoughtful, understated way that leaves women craving more. They're not the loudest in the room, but when they speak, everyone listens. So, how can you channel your inner quiet intellectual? First, brush up on your knowledge. Read books, watch documentaries, and stay current on world events. But remember, it's not about showing off. It's about engaging in meaningful conversations and offering unique perspectives. When you're talking to a woman, ask her thought-provoking questions and really listen to her answers. Show genuine interest in her ideas and opinions. Share your own insights, but do it in a humble, non-condescending way. The key is to create an air of mystery and depth. You're not an open book, but rather a complex novel waiting to be explored. Leave her wanting to turn the pages and discover more about you. 2. The nostalgic romantic. The nostalgic romantic. He's the guy who still believes in old-fashioned courtship and chivalry. He's the one who brings flowers, writes love letters, and plans elaborate dates. And let me tell you, women swoon over this type of man. To embody the nostalgic romantic, start by embracing the lost art of romance. Open doors, pull out chairs, and offer your coat when it's chilly. These small gestures go a long way in showing your affection and respect. Plan dates that harken back to a simpler time. A picnic in the park, a drive-in movie, or a dance under the stars. Create experiences that allow for intimacy and connection, away from the distractions of modern life. And don't be afraid to express your feelings. Write her a heartfelt letter, telling her how much she means to you. Recite poetry or serenade her with a classic love song. These grand romantic gestures may seem old-fashioned, but they never go out of style. Remember, the nostalgic romantic isn't just playing a role. He genuinely believes in the power of love and isn't afraid to show it. Embrace your inner romantic and sweep her off her feet. 3. The luxurious lifestyler. The luxurious lifestyler is the man who knows how to indulge in and appreciate the finer things. He's got impeccable taste and isn't afraid to treat himself, and his lady, to the best life has to offer. To embody this attractive archetype, start by refining your tastes. Educate yourself on the world of luxury, from high-end fashion to gourmet cuisine. Develop an appreciation for quality and craftsmanship. But remember, being a luxurious lifestyler isn't just about spending money. It's about the experiences and the enjoyment. When you take a woman out, choose places that offer not just extravagance, but also ambience and service. It's about creating a memorable, indulgent experience. And don't forget to bring that luxury into your everyday life. Surround yourself with beautiful things, whether it's art, furniture, or a well-tailored wardrobe. Treat yourself to the occasional indulgence, whether it's a spa day or a fine cigar. The key is to embody a lifestyle of abundance and enjoyment. When you're with a woman, make her feel like she's part of that world. Treat her to the finer things, not to impress her, but to share in the pleasure and sophistication of the luxurious life. 4. The modern classic. The modern classic is the man who seamlessly blends traditional values with contemporary sensibilities. He's got old-school charm and modern-day savvy, making him an irresistible combination. To embody the modern classic, start by embracing timeless values like integrity, chivalry, and respect. These are the foundation of your character and what makes you a true gentleman. But don't get stuck in the past. Stay current with the times. Whether it's technology, fashion, or cultural trends, show that you can navigate the modern world with ease and adaptability. When you're with a woman, treat her with the respect and courtesy of a bygone era, but also engage with her as an equal. Have conversations that span from classic literature to current events. Show her that you appreciate the past, but are also excited about the future. In your style, blend classic elements with modern touches. A well-tailored suit with a trendy tie, or a vintage watch with a sleek outfit. Show that you can bridge the gap between old and new. The modern classic is a man of substance and style. He knows who he is and what he stands for, but isn't afraid to adapt and grow. Embody these qualities, and you'll be the kind of man that women find both comforting and exciting. 5. The sensitive listener. In a world full of noise, the sensitive listener is a breath of fresh air. He's the man who offers a compassionate ear and thoughtful advice, making him an invaluable partner and friend. To embody the sensitive listener, Start by practicing active listening. When a woman is speaking, give her your full attention. Put away your phone, make eye contact, and really focus on what she's saying. Show her that her words matter to you. But don't just listen, also offer empathy and understanding. Validate her feelings and experiences, even if you don't fully relate. Show her that you're there to support her, not judge her. When she comes to you for advice, offer your perspective in a gentle, non-imposing way. Share your own experiences and insights, but ultimately empower her to make her own decisions. Your role is to guide and support, not control. Don't be afraid to show vulnerability and share your own struggles. This creates a sense of intimacy and trust, deepening your connection. Remember, being a sensitive listener isn't about solving every problem. It's about being a steady, supportive presence in her life. Offer your ear, your heart, and your wisdom, and she'll appreciate you more than you know. 6. The humorous charmer. Last, but certainly not least, we have the humorous charmer. This is the man who can bring laughter and lightheartedness to any situation, making him an absolute joy to be around. To embody the humorous charmer, start by developing your wit. Learn to find the humor in everyday situations and craft clever, well-timed jokes. But remember, being funny isn't about being the class clown. It's about using humor to connect and engage. When you're with a woman, use humor to break the ice and create a playful, flirtatious vibe. Tease her gently, making sure she's in on the joke. Use self-deprecating humor to show that you don't take yourself too seriously, but also know when to rein it in. There's a time and place for humor, and sometimes a woman needs you to be serious and sincere. Use your humor to lighten the mood, not to avoid real connection. Being a humorous charmer also means being a master storyteller. Learn to craft engaging, humorous tales about your life and experiences. Make her laugh with your witty observations and clever turns of phrase. Remember, humor is a powerful tool of attraction. It shows intelligence, creativity, and social prowess. Wield it wisely, and you'll have her laughing her way into your heart. So now that you know the most attractive types, what's next for you? Discover how to tell if she's waiting for you to make a move, or learn how to flirt with her. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more.